What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you some cool features related with the login. So let's say that for example we want to display something only when the user has logged in. How do we do that? So what we have to do is that in the HTML, in any HTML that you want, for example, let's create a block of code and here we are going to put an if. So what we are going to do is that now we are going to access the user variable and here we are going to say is authenticated. If the user is authenticated, let's first end the if block. Here we are going to put a title saying hello, and now we are going to put here strong, and we are going to put finally here the user.username. So one thing, you may be wondering, why are you using here the user variable? Did you send that variable? No, but you don't need to. So if you go to the settings.py, here I will show you this in another video. Here you can put the variables that you want to send automatically in the context. So for example, user is already in the context because it is in the context processors. So if you use this, you are going to be able to have variables without sending them, like not variables, but objects. So for example, we have the user object there. So if we continue, now we can test that. So we did this in the base HTML, and now let's test this. So if we, for example, do now Python 3 manage py run server, now if we go to the page, okay, we are logged in, but if I now do this authentication log out, you see that this disappeared because now we are not logged in. But if now I do this with login, let me now log in. So if I put this one and this one, now as you can see, it is there. So this is truly useful in order to hide some things such as hello and something. But what if we want that this score form is only available for the people that are logged in? For this we need two things. The first one is the same if. So for example, if we copy this and then we go to film detail and then we put this here, let me also close this if. Let's close the if here and if, and here this. So now if we go to the page, only when we are logged in, this will be shown. So if we now log out, let me log out, oh my god, log out, and I go to any page, this is not displayed. So the form is not displayed, only the give it a score, but the other thing is not. But this is a bad practice. Why? Because this link is still there. Like if you know that this link exists, you can send this link by putting post score, and now you will have an issue because the score may have been set. So one way to fix this is by going to the view that also is the one of the posting the score. And here what you can do is that you can use this decorator and put here login required. And in order to take this login required, you have to import it from Django contrib auth decorators. So now you can only access this view if you are logged in. So Django will check if you are logged in before executing all this logic behind the view. So for example, now if we are not logged in, we cannot do this. So for example, post page not found, like no, we cannot do this. So if we are logged in, let me again log in, authentication, login, let's put here okay, comma, and let me put the password. So now we are logged in, and you are going to see that we are going to be able to see that, but also we are going to, if we put this, there isn't an issue. So that was everything I wanted to show you with these login features. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.